I feel so alive. So alive. So alive. So alive. I'm feeling good vibrations, like an 808 sensation. Heaven on earth is a place, and that's my destination. You know I've been making my way up. I don't need coffee to stay up. Sky is the limit, let's see how far that this could take us. Dropping into the sunset, turn the music up loud. Don't ever let me forget, I feel so alive. Like I'm living my life out in paradise. I can't help but smile, I'm just so alive. So alive. So
If I ever told you I want you to the bone, if I ever called you.
Noong una kitang nakita sa social media, naisip ko na hindi mo ako magugustuhan. Na baka gino-joke mo lang ako kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na karamihan sa lalaki iwas sa katulad ko. Pero habang tumatagal, nalaman ko na seryoso ka. Pinatunayan mo sa akin at sa mga magulang ko kung gaano katotoo ang pagmamahal mo sa akin.
Nang una kitang makita, hindi yun love at first sight. Ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, nabuo unti-unti. Yung ugali mo, yung boses mo, yung mata mo, yung pagiging masayahin mo, kung paano ka tumingin sa akin at ngumiti. Unti-unti sa akin luminaw lahat na ikaw yung eksaktong taong hinahanap ko. Isa ka sa pinakamagandang regalo sa akin ng Diyos. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil magiging isa na tayo.
I want you to the bone, I want you to take me.
Jericho, ang kuwela. Rogan, ang seryoso. At Jumer, ang pogi. Yan. Yung regalo ko sa inyo. By watch pa.
And kay Alona, ang kaibigan kong isa ding wild. Buksan nyo na. Headband niya, ayan. Gamitin nyo na. Gamitin nyo na siya.
Ikaw yung taong madaling patawanin tas mabilis din mainis. At madalas natin pagtalunan yung maliliit na bagay. Katulad ng hindi ako naka-holdingan sa'yo at nakakalimutan ko mag-I love you pag nagpapaalam ako sa video calls. Pag nawawala naman ako sa tabi mo, hinahanap mo agad ako. Dahil kahit sa gym, sinusundo mo ako.
Ay, may pa-letter. Basahin. Kathleen, my loves, no matter how much time passes, let's enjoy every moment together. Wow. You're the best gift I could ask for. I love you till the end of time, my loves. From Pops. Pinabibigay nga pala.
Salamat. Ano to? Ingat ka po. Uy, may letter pa. Pop, simula nung nakilala kita, time has felt like it's flow by in the most wonderful way. Ngayon, nagsisimula tayo sa bagong kabanata. Ang relo na ito, not just to mark the time, but to remind us of every precious moment we share. May it be a symbol of all the memories we create. Yun!
That be alright. Would that be alright? I want you to the pool. So bad I can't breathe.
nandyan ka. Kapag nangihina ako, nandyan ka. At kapag natatakot ako at nagdadoubt sa sarili ko, nandyan ka. You always make me feel safe and comfortable. Lagi mo sinasabi na hiniling mo ako sa Panginoon.
And I say thank you to your parents for taking care of you and preserve you until I have you. My loves, thank you dahil lagi kang nakasuporta sa akin at pinaparamdam mo sa akin na espesyal ako. At kahit saan man ako malayo, I feel safe dahil binibigyan mo ako ng peace of mind.
Pops, you and I know how forgetful I can be at times. But if there is one thing I will never forget is to love you and respect you with all my heart. And I also promise to love you even in the most difficult time, care for you gently, and stay devoted to you. I won't ask you to change. I will always love you for who you are.
I vow to be a better man and husband for you. At sabay natin naabutin ang ating mga pangarap. And I put God in the center of our journey. Until the end of time, Kathleen, I will love you body and soul.
Body and soul, I do for sure I'm already